So hi buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can enable cryptocurrency payment gateway in your website. So I will show you this thing. So it's like, assume me as a customer who want to purchase product from this site. First I will show you this thing, how this thing works. After it we'll see how we can also enable cryptocurrency gateway option in our site. So you see this. In payment, you see this, there is this option, pay with Bitcoin, Ethereum or other cryptocurrency. You see this, there is this option of Bitcoin. If I'll select Bitcoin, then after proceeding your order, you will see this order received. And you see this, there is this scanner. Through this scanner, the customer can pay, or through this wallet address the customer can send this much amount of BTC in your wallet, and automatically after it the payment will be successful. So this is done through blockchain technology. So I will tell you how to enable this payment gateway. So for this you need this simple plugin, my crypto gateway plugin, which you have to purchase from this site. It will cost you $19 for lifetime, so that means no subscription issue. Just purchase once and use it. And after it you have to do few configuration. You have to enable the license. You will get the license after you purchase it. After it you have to click on currencies, and you see this one are addresses. This one will be your wallet address. So that means whatever the customer will pay, that will be directly transited to your account. So there is no middleman here, directly you will get the money. So I'm using Binance. In your case it can be different, but every crypto platform provide you this addresses. So you have to click on this deposit, and there is this deposit crypto, and here you will see this option. Here you can select the cryptocurrency. So if I will select BTC, Bitcoin, and if I will select BTC network, and you see this, so this one is my wallet address. So that means any customer who pay through this wallet address, this money will be automatically transited to my account. So same thing, you have to just paste your wallet address here. Same thing you can do it with Ethereum, Tether and all the other cryptocurrencies, and you have to click on save, and after it your cryptocurrency gateway will be enabled. So it's literally that simple. You just need this plugin and it's all done. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.